All right, it's Chinese kit time. This is actually sent into the channel. I'll put a link down below if you want to buy one of these. It is a Lyre Harp electronic soldering P, whatever. I saw these the other day, and then I got sent one for free, so can't miss that. So there are like laser beams, and you put your fingers in and you play the harp with breaking the beams of the laser. So yeah, that's pretty neat. So here is the, get this out of the way here. Let's see here. Oh, to view the manual, scan the QR code. Okay, let's try that out. Okay, that worked. Product name HU-013 Laser Electronic Piano DIY Kit, 5 volts. Musical scale Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Play mode, strum mode, and play mode. Built-in music, 2 songs, laser transmitters. Component listings, there's a bomb. It says you need a soldering iron. Installation steps. Please be patient. Install! Exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. All right, step 1. All right, step 1, we built the PC board. Let's see what we got. Get it onto a tray. Nice. Maybe we don't have to read the, yeah, it's the same thing. So we have the printout copy, so we don't need to go to the, website. Good. All right. Ooh, schematic. Zoom down here. Might be a little bit blown out, but looks like there's a microprocessor and some resistors. Let's see here. Laser, 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 laser. And then some LEDs. And then some, look like photoresistors. So, photoresistors on one side, lasers on the other side. Yep. Okay. If you have any questions, give them a call. For more detailed PDF instructions with pictures, there's more QR codes. There you go. I'm not much for reading instructions, but we might do that. We might do that. Oh, here's our, it is a 89C52. All right, here's our little lasers. Back out again. So we got a bunch of lasers, and here's some of the photoresistors. So that all makes sense. And are all the resistors? No, there's 2 different value resistors. Okay, there's 1Ks and 10Ks. All right. And here's the PC board. Oh, there we go. Very nice. All right. Yeah, I think I will scan those QR codes and get the instructions, because this just gives you the bomb. It doesn't really gives you what's the best way. Sometimes there's order of sequence that's important. So yeah, let me go print things out and go from there. All right, I printed out the manual, so I'm starting to load some components there. What did I just say? I'm starting to load some components. Started another sentence that didn't make any sense. So I'm putting in some 1Ks and 10Ks. I just happen to have 10Ks in my hands. I'm going to put those on first. Let me start soldering these. I know some people are nervous about me cutting the leads without grabbing them. So most people would grab them and then put them in a nice spot. And I just kind of like chop them up. And I'm in a garage, and I've noticed that I could be really neat or I could be sloppy, and I found that it's actually easier to be sloppy. And so I throw everything on the floor just underneath me. So just off camera, I can just throw things onto the floor, or clip. When I clip things, they fly onto the floor, and then I just sweep up. So anyway, that's my method. If you're on a carpet, I would not recommend it. But yeah, out here in the garage, make sure you have shoes on so you don't step on sharp objects. But yeah, just sweep up. That's what I do. It's nice having something to do right now that's kind of relaxing. I was doing something kind of stressful this morning, some electronic thing that really required a lot of attention to detail, and yeah, it just can get kind of stressful. That was this morning. So this afternoon, I'm going to do something fun. It's nice to be sent things. I don't have to pay for them. Ow. Just poked myself. So I have most of the parts on here. I still have to put the photoresistors on, but I got suckered into soldering these guys on. These guys are a little bit tricky. You take the wires and you cut them off about yay long, and then you just pull the insulation off, and then you put the negative side over here, the positive side over here. It's pretty self-apparent. The negative side is just bare copper, and the positive side has a little resistor, so it's easy to keep track. Stick it on there, solder down. I'm assuming that you have to bend these around a little bit to get them lined up, and then maybe glue them in place or something, but I'm not quite sure about that yet. But yeah, let me keep going here. The manual is very good. Tells you how to do everything. On this side, I need to flatten my wires out. They're super, super fine little wires, so if you're not used to doing this, or you have bad eyesight, it might be a little challenging, but get one of these magnifiers to make it bigger. That's what I use. All right, so you put on these little photoresistors, and then you put these little hoods on them. Comes with a piece of a heat shrink, so you stick these on there. I don't think it's necessary to actually shrink them down. They're just to keep them from seeing stray light. And so the, let's see, bring this over. So here's all of the lasers, and then this will sit down here like this. And then the lasers will shoot down into these guys. So yeah, I think that's the way that works. Let's see, this goes, it'll actually go like this. These switches with long leads stick through this one piece here, and so you can get to them on the other side. So I did hook up 5 volts to the lasers, and they do turn on, just to check them out. So yeah, I think I'll bolt this down and connect the buzzer, which is actually a big speaker. I think you have to, comes with some double sticky tape, and find a place to stick that on there. And yeah, we'll keep going. All right, all together, the lasers at the top and the photoresistors at the bottom. There's a cord that comes with it that's USB, so it's 5 volts going in. We'll turn it on. We get a bunch of everything lighting up, and we get some things going on. Oh, listen to that. So we could adjust these so that the lasers see all of them. I can look in there. Push some buttons. It's got some built-in songs. If you're from China, you'll probably recognize it. All right, let's push this button. Let's see here. Low. Oh, this is low. Medium. And high. There you go. Now we can play it like a harp. It's fun. Do I recommend it? It is a little bit fiddly. I don't think a young child could do it. I think it's more of, right around junior high, maybe 5th, 6th grade. You could probably build this thing. You have to have patience. So kids usually don't have a lot of patience, but the instructions are very, very clear, and the construction is okay. No missing parts. I mean, you're not going to play a tune with it, but okay, I guess you could play a tune. It's in tune. It's do, re, fa, sol, la, mi, do. Anyway. Yeah, I like it. HU013 Laser Harp version 2.